Hey everyone, this is Tori and you are currently watching my channel. If you're new here, I just want to say thank you for watching. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell for all of any upcoming videos that I have that I'll be posting here on my journey of this thing called life. But today's video is going to be something a little bit different. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some tips of how I save on different areas and how I look a little bit more bougie on a budget. I know, you're probably like, really? But yes, you don't have to break the bank to look good, and you don't have to break the bank to look a little bit more higher end, okay? So maybe this will encourage you guys to just break out of your comfort zone and kind of just think about what you guys are putting on or what you guys are doing. So let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, so for my first tip for you guys, something very simple and something that before you put on all your clothes and before you put on all your makeup, before you get your hair done, before you lose that 5 pounds, you have to be confident in yourself. Yes, simple as that, be confident in yourself. One of the things that I always say is you are what you speak. And that's actually affirmed in the Bible of plenty of times. Whatever you speak out of your mouth, so you are. So whatever I say about myself, I make sure every day that I affirm myself. Girl, you are beautiful. You are strong. You are smart. You are intelligent. You are a boss, okay? If you are trying to run a business, you're a boss. Be confident in yourself. Dress like a boss. Be a boss. Act like a boss, okay? So stuff like that. The Bible tells us all of the time that we are fearfully, we are wonderfully made. We were formed in the dust. God knew who we were going to be before we were even formed. Stuff like that, I take into my spirit and I keep it there. And every day I affirm those words to myself. The enemy should be fearful of me. Walk as though you are a strong boss lady, okay? Stuff like that, I am an advocate for. So I want to encourage you today. Walk confidently, be confident, and know who you are. Beautiful, you are strong, you are intelligent, you are important. So that's one thing that before I walk outside and I got a fresh outfit on, I got to know who I am and whose I am. All right, so after we get into feeling confident and being confident in ourselves, we have to look confident, okay? So what I feel like looks super high end and makes you look like a bag of money is a neutral outfit. If I'm wearing like a full neutral, like today, I'm wearing this mock neck sweater. It has pearl details. I'm not wearing a necklace because I feel like the pearls are already enough. And I just kind of have these basic earrings on with the little pearls on the back. But I'm wearing white pants and I'm wearing some tan boots. But this outfit, I feel like makes me look super high end. And it looks like I spent a lot of money on this when I really didn't. So this sweater was $10 at H&M. I mean, if you're wearing neutrals, it just looks good. I have this picture on my Instagram, and by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go do that. My Instagram name is VictoriaStrode_. But I have this outfit on there, and I'm wearing my black leather jacket, which obviously you guys know that I love so much. And I'm wearing a black turtleneck dress. It's a midi dress, and it kind of has like little side slits. And then I'm wearing some tall black boots. But I just feel like when you wear all black, you just feel like a boss. The next thing I feel like is super, super important when you want to look super high end is the way that you look as far as beauty wise. When I feel like I look more expensive is when I'm wearing just like super natural makeup with like a classic lipstick. Like this is just like a basic color, but I feel like just lash. I'm wearing like some really, really light pink eyeshadow, and like I feel like this looks super clean. It looks super high end, and I really actually, the stuff that's on my face is actually kind of stuff from like a drugstore. So I mean, you don't have to spend a lot of money, but like a basic, simple, classic look, it just takes the cake on looking expensive. And then one of my favorite things that I feel like looks super expensive is when I do my hair. You guys know, in this sleek bun. but I always do a top knot bun, but I feel like it looks super nice. And like, if you're going to an interview, like I don't want my hair all over the place. Like I feel like something like this is just like, it looks like I'm confident. So another tip for looking bougie on a budget is get you a pair of fresh shades. It's like something about a nice pair of sunglasses that just ups your look so much. I mean, like these sunglasses are $16.99 at Lane Bryant. They're my favorite sunglasses. And they look super high end. I mean, you don't have to spend a lot, but like get you a pair of fresh sunglasses and it's like, you can't tell me nothing. I'm funny, guys, but for real, get you a pair of fresh shades. It just ups your look so much. Another tip that I would like to share with you guys is to tuck in your shirt. I know it sounds so simple, but something about when you tuck your shirt into like a button-up shirt to your jeans or a button-up shirt to a like pencil skirt or A-line skirt, stuff like that, it's just, it looks super put together. It looks like you really tried and you put an effort into your outfit, and for some reason I feel like it looks more expensive. I do this all the time, like even with like sweaters, I tuck it into my jeans and for some reason it looks like super high end. I even have like this men's like polo half zip I got from the thrift store, and I tuck it into my jeans. When I don't tuck it in, it looks like I don't care. But when I tuck that sweater into my jeans and I put on some like tan boots, something about it, it's like, oh girl.
Oh girl.
Who do you think you are? But basically, you look a little bit more expensive. Another thing that I feel like makes you look a little bit more expensive is when you wear a blazer. Simple, a blazer, I know, but make sure it's fitted. I have a couple different blazers that I got from Lane Bryant. They're called the Bryant blazer, but I feel like when I put that on and I wear like a basic white tank and like some nice jeans, I look super put together, and it makes me look like I spent a lot of money, which, because I work at Lane Bryant, I don't spend that much. But when you have a blazer on, you just look like, it's like expensive and boss are in the same category. So you look like an expensive boss. I don't know what's wrong with me. But seriously, when I go to work and I'm wearing a blazer and I'm just wearing like my basic tank, it's like a V-neck tank with it and some jeans and some nice little booties with it, people are like, oh my gosh, you look so good. I wish I could dress like you. And it's like, girl, all I did was put a blazer on today. I really did not put any effort into it, but for some reason it looks super nice. And basically this is a tip for just saving your money, but reshop your own closet. Sometimes I look at my closet and I'm like, dang, I forgot I had that. And it's something that's like, could look super high end, and you just, you know, it's just kind of stuck in the back there. I do this all the time. So basically that's all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to share with you some tips and tricks on how I look a little bit more higher end on a budget. I know that we don't always have the funds to go out and shop all the time. I mean, my favorite thing to do is thrifting. If you guys haven't seen my last video, go watch it. But I love to find things at the thrift store that I feel like are classic and that won't ever go out of style. And so you can also save by just looking for those neutral things in your closet that you may have that I may have stated. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe, and then make sure you comment below on what you guys liked. What was your favorite tip, and what are some tips that you guys use that I didn't mention to make you guys look a little bit more bougie on a budget? But anyways, hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye.